Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Catherine Borman, and I'm delighted to be here today to shed light on a topic that has been a cornerstone of my research and personal philosophy: morning exercise. As a fitness enthusiast and a researcher in the field of human physiology, I can't overstate the importance of incorporating physical activity into our daily routines, particularly in the morning. Today, I want to share with you some compelling insights into the myriad advantages of embracing an early morning exercise routine. So, grab your coffee, settle in, and let's delve into the world of morning fitness. Now, let's start with the most obvious benefit: boosting your energy levels. Engaging in exercise first thing in the morning jump-starts your metabolism, sending a signal to your body that it's time to wake up and get moving. The rush of endorphins not only provides a natural energy boost, but also sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Those who exercise in the morning often report feeling more alert, focused, and ready to tackle whatever challenges come their way. It's like giving your body and mind a gentle nudge, encouraging them to operate at their optimal level from the get-go. Another noteworthy advantage is the impact on mental health. Studies consistently show that morning exercise can significantly reduce stress levels and alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. The quietude of the morning, coupled with the solitude of your workout, creates a serene environment conducive to introspection and mindfulness. It's a precious time to recalibrate, set positive intentions, and build resilience for the day ahead. Incorporating morning exercise into your routine is like gifting yourself a daily dose of mental fortitude. Now, let's talk about the practicality of morning workouts. One of the key advantages is the consistency it brings to your fitness regimen. Life is unpredictable, and as the day unfolds, unexpected commitments and obligations can arise, often derailing our well-intentioned plans to exercise. By prioritizing physical activity in the morning, you carve out a dedicated time slot that is less likely to be compromised by the demands of work, family, or other responsibilities. It's a proactive approach to ensure that your health remains a non-negotiable aspect of your daily routine. In conclusion, the advantages of morning exercise extend far beyond the physical realm. From enhanced energy levels to improved mental well-being and the practicality of consistency, adopting a morning fitness routine can be a transformative step towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. So, whether you're a seasoned early riser or considering making the switch, remember that investing in your well-being from the moment you wake up can set the tone for a day filled with vitality, productivity, and resilience. Thank you.